What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode from your YouTube mobile app. Now if you're on desktop as well, it's going to be a pretty similar process as far as going in the settings goes, just a little different layout, so hopefully you'll be able to figure that out if you're not on desktop, but I recommend just going on mobile because it's super simple to do as well. So once you're in the YouTube mobile app, you're going to hit your profile picture in the upper right hand corner there. And then once you hit your profile picture, it's going to take you to this menu here. And about 7 or 8 options down is going to be an option for settings. This just goes into the YouTube settings. And you could just hit that. And then 2 options down on this menu is the general option. You're just going to hit that. And then it's going to take you here. And you could see 3 options down on this screen right below the remind me when it's bedtime function. You could just turn on the lever to turn on dark theme, as they call it, or dark mode. It's really the same thing. And once you turn it on, you don't have to save it or anything. It just automatically applies to your YouTube app. And you could just go around and see exactly how this changes YouTube and makes it so everything is dark in the background instead of white. It's easier on the screen and eyes if you really like dark mode. And I think it's more healthy for your phone to have as many apps on dark mode as possible. But that's pretty much all there is to it, though, as far as turning on dark mode for YouTube app. If you have any questions or were confused at all on how this works, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.